2025 Toyota Prius, servicing the cabin air filter. Go to the glove box. Open up the glove box. And disconnect this damper right here. Now there's a glove box stopper here. Okay. You can see right here it says push. Push. Get this out of the way here. Do both sides. Okay. Then you can lower the glove box down, and it will actually come off the hinges if you pull it all the way down. Okay. We're not going to do that. Now you take this door off here by squeezing these tabs here. Pulling the door off like this. I notate this says up on it. Okay. We're going to put it back exactly the way we took it off because it has these feet on here. And here's your cabin filter. Okay. All we do is remove the element, pull it right out of its holder. If you need a filter, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. This one actually doesn't need to be changed. I'm not going to recommend it to my customer. You're going to reuse the holder. And when you put this guy back in, here's a little tip. You stick it around like this, it's not in all the way, okay? You need to actually lift up the back of it and get it to stand up like that, okay? Or you'll never get this door on. Snap it back on. Close the glove box. Hook up the damper. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you can hit that like button. Leave me a comment if you could, and if you'd like to see more Toyota content, hit subscribe.